Hello everyone, welcome back to SenthilSmartQAHub. In the previous section, we saw how to install the Python, how to open the Jupyter Notebook, and what Python is and where we use Python. Now in this section, we are going to learn basics of Python. Before we start learning Python basics, let's first see how to create a new Python notebook. Now let me open the Jupyter Notebook. To create a new notebook, click on the New button and select Python 3. It will open the new Jupyter Notebook. Now Python Notebook is ready and we can start writing and executing the Python code here. And now see here, by default, a new notebook will be created with name untitled. If you want to rename the notebook, click on this untitled and you can enter the name. Example here, Python basics. Python basics. The format is .ipynp. Python Jupyter Notebook. Click on the rename. Now the file will be renamed successfully. Now we created new notebook and renamed it. Let's start writing our first Python code. First, let's see the print function. The print function is a built-in function in Python. It is used to display or print the output on the screen. For example, here I'm going to write print of. So inside I'm going to display hello world. Now let's execute this code. To execute this code, click on the run button. Once we executed, we can see the output displayed below the code. So here the output is hello world. Next one, we write the commands in the Jupyter Notebook. Suppose I don't want to execute a line in Python, we put assemble at the beginning of the line. That line becomes the command. That line will not be executed by the Python. For example, here, this used to print the output on the screen. Now we have two statements. Now let me run it. The only one statement will be executed. Only print statement will be executed. And this statement is commented. This will not be executed and this statement will be ignored. Now we can comment multiple lines. I will copy the print statement. I'll paste it here. Now I want to comment these statements. Before this statement, we have to put hash symbol. Before the each line, I need to put hash symbol. To put this hash symbol, we can use the shortcut key. So what is the key is? We can use Ctrl// we can use. To use Ctrl//, select this statement and press Ctrl//. This will be commented. Now if I run it, we'll get only one time hello world. These statements are commented, will not be executed. Suppose I want to uncomment these two lines. Select these two lines and press the same key, Ctrl//. This will be uncommented. Now let me run. Now 3 times we'll get hello world. If we select the statement and press Ctrl// and hash symbol will be added at the beginning of each selected statement. If you press Ctrl// again, the hash symbol will be removed for selected lines. So now we learned how to comment the statement. See here, the print statement, we printed hello world. This message we have written within the double quotes. Here we can use single quotes also to display the message. Now let me run it, we'll get the same output. If it starts with the double quotes, it should be ends with double quotes. If you starts with the single quotes, it should be ends with single quotes. Now suppose I want to print multiple lines of the text. For example, here I'll copy this, I'll paste it here. I want to first line should be hello, second line should be a world. Then I'll press enter here. Now let me select this cell and click on the run. See, here we'll get the error. If you want to print multiple lines of the text, we can use triple quotes or Newline character. In the triple quotes, we can use triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Now we'll see how to use triple single quotes and triple double quotes. So I'll here before the message, I'll start with triple single quotes and ends with, it should be ends with triple single quotes. Now we'll run it, we'll get the output. The same we can use with triple double quotes. Now let me run this cell. See, to print multiple lines, we can use triple quotes. In the triple quotes, we can use triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Next, we can use Newline character also. For example, here for Newline character, print welcome to Python basics. See here, after the welcome, I used backslash n, and after the Python, I used backslash n. So wherever the backslash n I mentioned, it will give the new line. Now let me run this code. See, welcome. After the welcome, we used backslash n. It will go to next line, and to Python will be printed. Then backslash n, it will go to next line. Then basics will be printed. For printing multiple lines, we can use Newline character backslash n.